Absolutely. No, obviously the key question on everyone's mind is obviously that India is trading at a 95% premium compared in context to the other emerging markets. And that's the question US investors asked even Citi, when that's the main point of discussion that they did have in terms of that. Now, what Citi did is they highlighted certain points coming in terms of what could be the issues coming out over there on the India front. Now, obviously what they did, that their economists actually had some trends highlighted as well. Now, in terms of rural weakness, which is reversing. So maybe, a lot of companies have highlighted that the demand in the rural areas is surely seeing an impact coming in, mainly due to the disruption that they're seeing coming in the monsoon rains. That's a concern that they've highlighted as well. Now, in terms of domestic flows, also strong flows, how long can they continue as well? So the interest rates are going up. That is a factor that they're watching out for. Plus, property markets are showing strength. There are few investor queries on how long the strength of the discounted mutual fund inflows are going to continue going forward as well. And these are the key issues that they are highlighting. Now, in terms of Indian banks also, what they're highlighting is that the India banks remain quite, on the positive side in terms of most consensus trades coming in from their clients is coming in on the India bank side. So they are not quite negative, and not, they seem like a positive sign coming over there on the asset quality, good credit growth figure, as well as a relative valuation in terms of the Indian banks. That is also turning out to be fair, is what is highlighted in the discussion. And lastly, obviously, in terms of US investors talking about Indian IT companies, they said that, there are concerns coming in around the macro impact on the growth, supply side margins is a factor that we are watching out for. While in terms of the Indian internet companies, like new age tech companies, what they're talking about, they're revisiting them post the correction that they've seen coming in. So these are the key discussion points. Now, in terms of stock specific also, they're saying that they've removed Tata Steel from the list and coming in because of the clarity that they're not seeing much of a clarity on China front. While in terms of Cipla, they've added Cipla coming in from the pharma space, and they're quite overweight on the pharma space compared to the neutral stand that they have given before. So these are the key highlights that we're seeing coming in from Citi.